So the fins can be used for forward propulsion, okay? And we can decide how hard we're going to kick those fins, but you're going to notice if you over kick them, you're not going to get a lot more speed out of them than if you just did it at 60, 65, 70%. 100% effort might get you 5% more speed than at 60 to 65%. But one thing we can do, even if you burn yourself out in over kicking the fin, you can still use them as a torque rotator. And what I mean by that, fins can be used to help pull the column of water that the arm is pulling. So if I'm pulling my left arm, I want to kick that left fin at the same time to help me pull that arm through. Same thing if I was going with the right arm. My right fin is going to pull and help me pull that column. So it's kind of like doing pull-ups. If I'm just doing pull-ups slick, I've got so many in me, but what if I have a trampoline underneath me? When I do the pull-up, I can come down and go boing and come back up. So what fins do is help us to be able to extend our ability to swim a given distance. Even if we're not driving them for extra speed, it's going to help me do more pull-ups. It's going to help me have more strokes by helping me use my arms less in pulling that column of water through.